Okay, we continue working on the problems with highest common factor, lowest common multiple. The next question that I would like to look at is this. One day, Aaron divides his action figures into equal groups of 26. The next day, he divides them up into equal groups of 12. Use prime factors to find the lowest possible number of action figures he owns. So what happens here? You see, Aaron had, so this is question 8, he had a certain number of action figures, right? And he divides them into groups of 26 one day. So one group would be 26 action figures. Two groups together will be 26 times 2, right? Three groups together will be 26 times 3, whatever that multiple is going to be. And the next group will be, I don't know how many groups he would have, but it would be 26 times 4, and so on and on and on. Okay. The next day he divides them up into equal groups of 12, so it will be 12. This was easier, right? 12, 24, 36, 48, and so on. We don't know how many action groups he would have together. It might be 24, or might be 36, or might be 48. By the way, we can write 26 also. It's not really that difficult. 26 times 2 is 52, isn't it? And 26 times 3 is 60, and 18 is 78. And 26 times 4 is 80, and 24 is 104. So you see, numbers are climbing up pretty quickly. And so we don't know how many action figures he had, but no matter how many he had, he was able to divide them one day, all right, one day, into a group of 26, easy, and no action figure was remaining. So it would be 26, and then, or maybe it could be two groups of 26, or maybe three groups. We don't know how many, but it was 26, 26, 26, and so on. Another day, that was first day. Second day, he was able to divide them into group of 12, and there were also no remainder. So our number of his action figures will be divisible by 26 and 12. So what we are looking for is actually for the lowest common multiple of 12 and 26, because the question is asking what is the lowest possible number of action figures he owns. Okay, so as soon as we find the lowest common multiple, that will be the answer. So I will write 12 as a product of prime factors only. 12 is easy number, so I can write this as not product of just factors, and to split up 4 into prime factors easier, like 2 times 2 and 3. And 26 is a really easy number, right? It is 2 times 13. Okay, so now to find the lowest common multiple of these numbers, I should write one number, for example 26, okay, 2 and 13 is here, and multiply it by all factors that are not common to 26. So 2 and 2 are common factors here for 12 and 26, okay, but this 2 is already counted in 26. So the only thing that is remaining is just multiply 26 by 6, and that is going to be our lowest common multiple. 26 times 6 is 6 times 6 is 36. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 3 is 15, so 156. You see, let's double check. 156 is divisible by 26. You see, 156 divided by 26 will be 6. But also it is divisible by 12, because if you divide 26 is 13 times 2 times 6, right? That is your 26, and that is your 12, so that is 13 times 12. So 156 is divisible by 12, and the answer is 13. So 156 is a multiple of both of numbers, and it is the lowest one because we didn't repeat the common factors. So the minimum number of action figures that he had is 156.